Hey guys, welcome back. Wow, chicken's going crazy. Welcome back to the Lydia and Ethan channel. Today we are about to go out on Lake Huron. We're gonna jump on some jet skis and we're gonna tube behind them for the very first time. It's gonna be a good day.
We'll see how long our kids can hold on.
Yeah.
Before Ethan throws them off.
Yep, everybody has their life jackets on. Everybody ready? Yeah. Yeah? We're all gonna walk over to the beach right now and then I'm gonna go with my dad, which you're gonna see in a minute. We're gonna go over and we're gonna drop the jet skis in the water. But it's gonna be a really fun day. You're gonna wanna watch till the very end of this video because there's gonna be some sweet stuff. We're gonna encourage you. It's gonna be really, really fun. And before we get started, we just wanna say, we love you, Jesus loves you, and your life has purpose and meaning. So come along with us for the day. Yeah?
Yes.
Let's do it.
Let's go.
Just two brothers. They're so cute. Okay, so we just dropped the kids off at the beach with Lydia. Gonna go meet up with my dad right now to go get the jet skis. And we're gonna get some tubing in. Here he is. Wow. Hey there, neighbor.
Hey there.
How are you?
Good.
Oh, it's hot. Check this out. This is an ND filter.
Oh,
You
nice.
can make it dark back to
Oh,
light.
really?
Yeah, just like that.
Oh, nice.
See this?
Nice.
Okay, so this is how it works.
This is how it works.
Dad drops us in. I get on one jet ski, he gets on the other, and then Mama comes in,
Drives the truck. And
drives the
trailer
truck and trailer back home, and then we drive the jet skis to the lake house. And that's kind of how we do it. It's efficient. Okay, we're out on the water. Dad's behind me. We got about a 2-mile run. I'm gonna switch it into sport mode and just go real fast. There we go, sport mode engaged. You know, I'm a shoe guy, so the question is, what kind of shoes do you wear on a jet ski? That is some good old Crocs with some gibbets.
Stop it. Get some help.
Yeah, seems like the right attire. I'll follow you. One of my favorite things to do out here with Grayson is to stop the jet ski and then just jump off the back end right into the water and just go for a nice good swim. You ready? Mm-hmm. Okay, let's do it. We're gonna go tubing in just a little bit. Keep watching the end of this video. That's gonna be hilarious. Jump, go! Oh. That felt so good. I got my Crocs on. Look at my Crocs. Woohoo! Croc time. It's Croc time.
Stop it. Get some help.
Don't jump on me! No!
Whoa!
I'm gonna do front flip.
Okay, do front foot. Let's go. Let's go. Oh, nice. High five. Let's go. Nice.
Okay, so there's a good portion of our beach days where usually Ethan takes the older 2 kids out and then I have a couple of them here with me on the beach. And right now there are 3 of them out on a tube and it's looking pretty crazy. It's looking pretty wild. So let's check it out.
Okay, first time tubing behind a jet ski. Okay, ready, Grayson?
Yeah.
Ready, Niley?
Yeah. Maddie, hold on, very
You
good.
ready?
Yeah. That's not good.
Okay, here we go. Whoa! This is pretty hilarious view. It's pretty hilarious perspective. Here we go. Papa's gonna toss us around. Oh my goodness! Oh my God! This thing got horsepower. Hold on, Niley, do not let go, okay? Oh, so much screaming.
It might be switch.
Okay, the verdict is the FishPro can toss you around and it's still really fun. It's like getting pulled behind a boat. It's awesome.
Scary.
Here we go, guys. Now we're gonna turn. We're gonna turn. We're gonna turn. Hold on. It's gonna whip us around. Whoa! You good? Grayson is the survivor! Got my flip-flop. Good thing they float. Well, we made it for a little bit before we flipped off. I got that on video.
Happy, you having fun? Oh, you're so cute. Okay, babe, tell me about what just happened while you were tubing.
Well, we were tubing, Grayson, Sophie, and I, which I will just say, tubing with older kids is so much more fun than tubing with little kids. And somehow the thing starts nosediving down. I don't know if it was because you're taking a corner or slowing down or what, but the thing starts just flipping, and then Rod starts pulling more. And so it is like just flipping faster. And I see Grayson like panicking, sheer panic. Sophie's laughing, flying off, and then I just fall into the water. So thankfully Grayson did not fall off, because I know it would have been drama if he did. But yeah, we flipped. It was fun.
Can you believe that this is a lake? It's a lake and it's our backyard, front yard. It's our front yard. And this is not an ocean, it's a lake, fresh water.
I know.
Okay, Andrew's first cameo in the Lydia and Ethan channel. Our channel's about to blow up because Andrew's in our
Millions.
video now.
This will bring in millions.
Millions of dollars or views?
Both.
Okay, let's go. We'll take both. Okay, you guys have fun?
Yeah.
What was your favorite part of today?
The tubes.
The tubes?
Going on the boat.
You liked going on the boat? Did you have fun, Rev? Yeah?
And water.
In water. I had fun. In water. In water. Guys, thank you so much for watching to the end of this video. We have great videos coming out every single week. In our next videos, we're going to do some awesome videos of me teaching Grayson right there how to drive the tractor. And then the next video after that, I'm going to teach this one how to drive a zero turn. So yeah, we got some fun videos coming out. Thank you guys so much for watching. Just remember, you don't need jet skis or boats or anything like that to have fun. I grew up without any of that, and we just had a great time as a family. And I think the most important thing is just to remember that family matters most, and just spending time together is what the real stuff is all about.
They're having fun.
It looks like the chickens are having fun too. They don't have jet skis, they're having fun, right? Yeah, so guys, we love you. You are one of a kind. You're amazing. We love you. Jesus loves you. And we hope you have a great rest of your day. Right? And what do they do? What do they do, Nightly? What should they do?
Subscribe to hit the subscribe button.
Hit the subscribe button. And what else should they do, Scarlett? Ring the bell. What else should they do? Hit the like button. There we go. Bye, guys.
Have a good one.
I just need to apologize to everybody for, you know, being shirtless and being this pale. I'm sure it is blinding over YouTube, so I apologize for that.
You like it? Yeah. What do I think? I like it.
This is how you know that you had a super fun day at the beach. Oh, Nightly, you're so sweet. Look at even Rhino's coming to say hi. What you do, Nightly? Revy? Revy, do you love your brother? That's Nightly. What's his name? Who is it? Who is that? Is it Nightly? Who's that? That's Nightly.
I fell asleep one time. One time I fell asleep in the car.
Yeah, one time you did fall asleep in the car. Mackie, come here. Come here, Mackie. Hi, Mac. Hi. You guys haven't seen Mac in forever in our vlogs. Mac is still here. He's still with us. Oh, he's the best dog ever.